So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in Diskpart. And then click on enter. Now, you want to type in list space disk. And then click on enter again. You want to find the disk that you want to clean. For me, I've got 2 disks. You're going to know which disk is which by the size. So for me, I've got almost 1 terabyte here. So I know that this is my D drive because of the size it has. And this is the drive I want to clean. I want to clean my D drive. So it's going to be disk 1. So you want to find the number of your disk drive. You will know which one is which by the size of your disk. So for me, since I want to clean disk 1, I'm going to type in select space disk space 1. So type in select disk and then the number of the disk that you want to clean. And then click on enter. Now you want to type in clean space all and then click on enter again. I don't actually want to clean it, so and then click on enter again. Your disk is now being fully cleaned and formatted. You can now sell the drive if you want to, or just do anything you want. Or if you want to use the drive again, then you want to go to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And then once this comes up, it might be saying for you something like this, where it says initialize disk. For most newer drives, you can select GPT and then click on OK. But if the drive that you cleaned is really old, maybe like 10 years old, 15 years old or something, you can go with MBR and then click on OK. It should then be showing right here your drive, and it should be saying unallocated and the color should be black. Now to use this drive, you want to right click on it and then click on new simple volume and then click on next. And then click on next again. Choose the drive letter that you want and then click on next. You can choose your file system and you can set your volume name, so your drive name, and then click on next and then click on finish. You should now be able to use this drive again and it's going to be fully cleaned.